This, why you guys are gathered today is because I have opened up a company which is called Sugar Candy Entertainment Company. Very glad, very happy to be here and sharing this news with you guys. It's seriously awesome. All right, this company is actually, we are planning to do movies and documentary movies. We have movies which is gonna go for the film festivals, and we are doing events in this company. We are getting all the kind of events done. Then later on, we are even getting into the movie production. So that's about it. And the motive behind opening this company is I started as a dancer. I actually never knew that I am gonna do something like this in my life. And it's very exciting and happy. You can see already I'm nervous here. But then, yeah, it is fun. It is seriously fun to be here. And yeah, the main motive for this company is to search for new talents. We do have in Hyderabad, like, all over the Andhra, there are many people. Me coming all the way from Bombay and, like, still here, doing very good. People are loving me. So I guess why not to give them also a chance? That is the reason why I have this Sugar Candy Entertainment Company. This is very amazing. It is happening to me. I have, like, I want to do something good for others. This is my whole thing, my point. When I even, like, I was talking to Uma and I was telling him, Uma, I do want to do something good. It's like, something is there because it's been 11 years I've been in this industry. The other reason would be I want something different and I want to change it the way, like, in a quality way or you say it in any other way. Like, I want quality and something different and creative. Like, that's what I want to bring in from this company, like, in this film industry. That's what I want. See, we are starting with Ishna show, like an event from this company. Our first thing is an event from this company, which I am going to announce very soon, probably after 1 or 2 weeks, we'll be doing that. And again, we'll be meeting back again, and I'll be announcing that part. So we are starting with the events, and then we'll be going with the documentary films, and then we'll be going with the television production. So this is the plan for now, which we are doing it. नहीं acting कैसा छोड़ेगा वही तो like I started my career like that. Acting no, I am actually working with Mr. Puri Jagannath in Nenu Na Rakshashi, something like that. So I am working in that movie. I have decided to like slow down with my work what I have been doing जो भी मैंने काम किया है उसमें थोड़ा slow down करके concentrate little bit on my company so that I can do more. Acting, it is gonna go on. I'll get good production, good people, good character, or whatever, good song also. I have not left dancing also. So, whatever, like, if it's there, something good for me, yes, for sure I'll do it. The reality shows, yeah, that's what TV program in the sense, like, we are gonna go for the reality shows which are happening. Like, we have dance, singing, and all that stuff. So, why not to bring something else? Then in like being like same thing happening again and again, it's better to get something new, something creative, something good for the youngsters so that they enjoy. like the like there are many stuff you can create and you can like do it. It's gonna be the best like that. Mera production, my first picture. Let me think. I'll tell you later on about it. Because movie ka plan till now, it's not there. I don't want to directly jump into the movie production now. I just want to get my events done properly. Like, everything is sorted out. Let my company base get stronger. Let everything falls into right places. Let everyone come to know what exactly Sugar Candy is working on, the value, and then like, what they're doing it for people. Let everyone talk about it. Then probably I will go for the movie. Once I feel like, okay, Sugar Candy is ready to do the production and produce the movie, for sure, I am ready to do it. It is very helpful. We are getting the website done for them. We are getting the contest done for them. We are getting the auditions done for them. We have writers who are amazing writers here. Yes, for acting also I will give it. I need new people. I need good people in my in my company. That's how I want to start. See, that's the main point of this thing. Like I actually want to choose the best. If it's fresh, I don't mind. I want to expose that just for them because There are so many talented people here. I'm very honest. I've been here since 4 years. Whatever today I am is actually because of you guys. I'm being honest. See, first, I believe AP is the best. Because today, Mumad Khan all over AP, everyone knows how. You know, sugar candy is so much like me. It's so much like me. It's it actually reflects me. That's the reason why I wanted to be sweet. I wanted to be glamour. I wanted every kind of element in it. So it's me who chose this name, Sugar Candy, and it's gonna reflect me completely, and that is for sure. There are so many people are doing. That is the difference. That it's gonna me who's gonna be doing it, and you will see the quality. You will see the way people are gonna work. Because I've whatever I got it, I the first time when I came here, I was completely from Bombay, and whatever talent I got it from Bombay, and it worked, and it helped me. So probably in this sugar candy, why, the difference is gonna be, the quality is gonna be there, and I am for sure and 110% I promise you that people are gonna enjoy it. Trust me. Absolutely right. Amazing. Absolutely right. This company is gonna start, they are gonna do the charity. We are gonna do that. That's the main motive. It's not about earning the money in the company. Yes, money will come because if the people are happy, if my employees are happy, and the people who works me are happy, but obviously the money is gonna come. The same thing, yes, you're right, absolutely right. That's my main thing. I have to do the charity. And that's what even Sugar Candy is gonna do it. But then still again, once again, you guys actually made me, and the first news I wanted to give you guys about Sugar Candy launching, I need you guys to bless me. I'm very honest, this is not formal, and you guys know me since long time, how Mumayat is. So I don't want to be formal. The honest part is I need your blessings. The way you guys have put me ahead in life, and today people know me. Do me a favor, bless me so much that at least I can do so good for others. Trust me, I won't let you guys complain about a single thing. That is for sure. So whatever it is, just be there with me and support me with your blessings and with your good advice. I am ready to take. Everyone, whoever is going to see it, I'm ready to take. So thank you so much once again for coming.